Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, transferring XRP from your Arculus wallet to Exmo is a straightforward process that can help you trade or manage your assets more effectively. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it confidently and securely. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your smartphone or device and that you're already logged in with your secure credentials. Also, head over to your Exmo account and navigate to the deposit section for XRP to get your wallet address ready. This is crucial to avoid any errors. Step 1. Open the Arculus Wallet app and locate your XRP balance. You'll find it in your portfolio or assets section. Tap on it to access the send or transfer options. Step 2. Once you're in the send menu, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Go back to Exmo. Copy the XRP deposit address from your account dashboard and paste it into the Arculus app. Double-check this address. Typos can lead to lost funds. Step 3. Next, input the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain updates, so leave a little extra to cover costs. Step 4. Review all the details on the screen, including the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, hit the confirm button and authorize the transaction using your wallet's security features, like biometric verification or a PIN. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP ledger. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Exmo account to see your XRP deposited. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Arculus to Exmo in 2025. If you run into any issues, double-check the official docs or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that knowledge together. See you next time.